How to lock Facebook profile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings and privacy drop down and then tap on the settings option. Now, in here, scroll through and go to Audience and Visibility tab. Here you will see the option for profile locking. Tap on that and then tap on the lock your profile option you see there and make sure that once you lock your profile, only friends will be able to see your past and future photos, posts and stories on your profile, and your full resolution picture and cover photo will be shown to your friends only. So tap on the lock your profile option, and with this, your profile has been locked successfully. So this was about how you can lock your profile on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.